Alright, so in this section we are going to do a shorter sides and back with a longer top with disheveled type texture on top. So you can see the first thing I'm doing right here is taking a center section at the top to establish the length that we're going to have on top. Now I'm taking a section from the front of the forehead to the back of the crown area. So you can also take sections the other way around, from ear to ear. In this particular case, I'm taking sections from forehead to crown. So pulling that section straight up, and then basically using the previous section as my guide, and I'm cutting a nice square top on top. Alright, so now that I've completed cutting the top on the right side, it's time to do the top on the left side. So again, just doing the exact same types of sectioning, working my way from the front of the forehead to the back of the crown, combing it straight up, using the previous section as my guide to be able to cut a nice square top. Once we've completed the top, then we will go through and cut the sides and back. Now, you can see right now I'm just cross-checking, and I'm cross-checking by taking sections that are opposite of the sections that I did to cut the hair. So, being that I took sections from front to back, now I'm taking sections from side to side. So you can see I'm holding my fingers from one ear to the other ear, where the original sections were from the forehead to the crown. Okay, now it is time to cut the upper half of the sides and back, and I'm doing that through my fingers. You can see right here, I'm just holding the hair through my fingers, cutting the upper half of both the sides and back. Once I've completed that, we will then use some clippers to remove the lower half of the sides and back. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm taking my trimmer and establishing a clean outline throughout the hairline. So as you can see, I worked on first the hairline on the right side of my client's face. Now around the right side of the ear, I'm going to work my way around the back of the neck and then the left side. Once I've established the outline, then we can go through and remove the lower half of the sides and back. Alright, so as you can see, I now have the clippers in my hand. I've also got a guard on the clippers. and I'm working my way around the lower half of the sides and back. I'm basically going to remove the weight, remove the bulk on the lower half of the sides and back to blend it with the upper half of the sides and back, and then I'm going to do a little scissor over comb to wrap it all up. Alright, so one of the things that I like to do is just wrap up the haircut, dusting it off with a little bit of scissor over comb. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching. Check out the texture on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.